Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to create QR code in Canva. So the first thing you need to do is just go on share right over here on top right corner, click on it. Now click on see all. From here there's the option QR code. Click on it, select your desired page or design from here. I'm going to select page 11. Now click on generate QR code or you have to enter your URL first. Now click on generate QR code. Click on download QR code. As you can see, QR code is generated. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.